welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new video or a new content. So I hope you guys have guessed from the thumbnail that what I am going to show you or what I am going to reveal in front of the camera. So I am going to reveal my certificate which I have got. See here, certificate, trophy and my medals. This is the one small jhalak of my certificate and medals. If I get more love from you to this video, I will make more and lots of like this video. So without wasting much time, let's get started fast. So my first certificate is this. See. So this is Gujarat Vidyapeeth Ahmedabad certificate Hindi Pehli. I have given the exam of Hindi Pehli in the this is of year 2017. I was 10 years old and I have given this exam and I have got which rank? I have got second rank. It is mentioned here. See, I have got second rank in this. Tithi Dinesh Gosai. I will read and I will tell you. श्री तिथि दिनेश गोसाई इन्होंने गुजरात विद्यापीठ अहमदाबाद की ओर से दिनांक 24 फरवरी को 2017 में को ली गई पहली परीक्षा मरियमपुरा केंद्र में दी गई थी, जिसमें उनका दूसरा नंबर आया है। उसका यह प्रमाण पत्र इन्हें दिया जाता है। आशा है इनके हाथों हिंद की सेवा होती रहे। दिस इज ऑफ हिंदुस्तान प्रचार समिति फ्रॉम गुजरात। सी, it's not certificate, it's not the original copy, it is the one xerox, you can say. It's not original copy because the certificate is coming little bit hard. It is just like a paper, but I am proud to have this certificate because it is from Gujarat Vidyapeeth. This was my first certificate I have got in Mariampura school. So let's begin to second certificate. Here is my second certificate. It is also of Gujarat Rajya. See, it is of Gujarat Rajya युवक सेवा અને सांस्कृतिक प्रवृत्तियों गांधीनगर. I have gone to Gandhinagar to give this to perform. It is a dance certificate. श्री तिथि डी गोसाई ने युवक सेवा અને સંસ્કૃતિ પ્રવૃત્તિઓ ગાંધીનગર આયોજિત જિલ્લા રમતગમત અધિકારીની કચેરી ભુજ કચ્છ દ્વારા સંચાલિત કચ્છ જિલ્લા બાળ પ્રભાવિત શોધ સંપાદની ખુલ્લા વિભાગની લોક નૃત્ય. I have done this group dance. It was a group dance લોક નૃત્ય સ્પર્ધામાં ભાગ લઈને third. Our group has got third rank in this. ક્રમ વિજેતા થવા બદલ અભિનંદન સહે આ પ્રમાણપત્ર આપવામાં આવે છે. So here it is. It was ये जब सर्टिफिकेट मुझे मिला उसकी तारीख है 31st of October 2019. See, so let's begin. Let's go to the third certificate. I have get this summer camp certificate. See, summer camp of 2020. This is to certificate that Mrs. Tithi Gosai, Mrs. not Miss Tithi Gosai, has attended a summer camp 2019 in our academy. I was going to Hitin Dance Academy in my dance class. There sir has held a summer camp and the one person who has attended the all activities in summer camp. We all students have attended all the activities of summer camp. So all the students has get this certificate. It's Hiten Chavda sir, choreographer. It has his own YouTube channel. So its place is Bhuj. Date 28th of March 2019. I have got this certificate on 28th March 2019. So my fourth certificate is about GK quiz, GK IQ 39 general knowledge competition certificate I have. So I will read. Shri Gosai Tithi Dinesh, congratulations on your successful Participation in GK IQ test in state level held on 11 September 2016. We wish this exam will help you to develop in your intellectual capacity and personality development. Exam center was Convent School Mariampura Petlad, and when I have given this exam I was in standard 5th. You can see here it is mentioned here 5th standard, and something else is also mentioned. Center strength, there was 39 students to give this exam, and state rank is my 381 rank I have got in state exam. So let's go to my fifth certificate. This is also I have got from Convent of Jesus and Mary School. See, it was of best out of west competition exam. I have made in that competition I have made a Ganpati from CDs, CD which we place in computer or in DVD. From that CD I have cut it and make a Ganpati. So I have got which rank I have got? Second rank. I have obtained second rank in it. I will read. This is to certificate that Tithi Dinesh Gosai of standard 5th. I was in 5th standard. Participated in the best out of west contest held at Convent School Mariampura on 26th November 2016 and has obtained the second position. And I love to do something creative. I love to do dance. I love to do something new, best out of it. This is of Sanskar School. I have get certificate of tug of war. This is Go Game certificate. You can see I have also interested in sports. I will read certification. Sanskar School heartily congratulates to Miss Tithi Dinesh Gosai of under 14 category for achieving second rank in tug of war girls event of Go Games 2020. I have achieved this, and I have achieved one medal of this. I am going to show you which. Here it's medal. It has got here is it medal. I have got silver medal for second rank of tug of war. Now I am going to show you another certificate. Second certificate is also of Go Games. It is that only, but I will read from middle. Category for achieving first rank. I have achieved first rank in Kho event of Go Games 2020. I am going to show you the medal also. I have got the gold medal on that. Here is my medal. So next is of Sanskar School only. It is Your Honor certificate. I am showing you. It is of Your Honor certificate. Sanskar School feels proud to honor Miss Tithi Dinesh Gosai of standard 7th English medium B. I was in standard 7th for his splendid achievement in the following categories for the academic year 2019 to 2020. We Sanskar family wish him the great future ahead. I am the best reader of standard 7th English medium B. Here is the tag of best reader. I have got this certificate for best reader, and here is my photo also with school uniform. See, I was looking cute. My camera girl is also smiling. This is also Sanskar School certificate. Miss Tithi Dinesh Gosai of standard 7th B. I have got in standard 7th for achieving first rank in sports day Kabaddi. I have got first rank in Kabaddi. I have also interested in sports, but not much. I am much interested in doing new creative things and doing dance. I am very lots of love for dance. I am very much lover of dance. But I am proud to have this sports certificate also, that all students should go ahead in all the categories. This is of 2018 and 2019 संस्कार फैमिली की तरफ से है ये रहा सर्टिफिकेट. और अब आता है लास्ट सर्टिफिकेट नहीं, कैंसर केयर फंड, what is this, foundation, yeah, it is written in very अजीब handwriting. See, you can see how it's written, फाउंडेशन ही लिखा हुआ है, कैंसर केयर फाउंडेशन. हाँ, इट्स फाउंडेशन, इट इज हियर डाउन, फाउंडेशन. So I will read. Member of the governing body feels pleasure in certificate that Miss Tithi Gosai Tithi Dinesh, sorry, it's written Gosai Tithi Dinesh, student of class fourth नहीं, हाँ fourth of CJM School Mariampura has participated as a volunteer in the mass awareness campaign against cancer for a period of 10 days from date 16 September 2015 to 26 September 2015. This certificate is awarded in recognition of the outstanding social service rendered by her in alternative the suffering of needy cancer patient and underprivileged kids. So this certificate is given to us for the collecting for the donation. I have gone in around my areas and collect the donation for the needy people, those who have cancer, and the kids, those who have cancer, to help them. Our school has held this function for giving this cancer donation to the needy people, and this cancer cat foundation has helped us to donate our money and the area people money to them, and we have get this I have get the medal also, but it's bronze. I have got third rank in this, and they gives ranks for what, if you have get more donation, then you get first rank, less donation, then you get bronze and silver medal, second and third rank. So I have got bronze medal in that, but I am founding that, but I have not find that medal. I don't know where I have kept, but I have the certificate. See, thank you so much for Cancer Care Foundation to giving me certificate. And last comes my small trophy, but it's very precious to me and it is very close to my heart, because I was in senior KG. Trophy is given to me from Convent Jesus and Mary School. It was in senior KG. I have participated in poems. We tell poems. In that poem, I have got this trophy. It was my first trophy of the life when I have started the education. So this trophy is very grateful to me, and to make my strength and make me capable to do this and achieve this all certificate. So in this video I have tell you this many certificates. So don't forget to do like my video if you love certificates. Yeah, if you all have got this much certificates, and don't forget to share, comment and subscribe. If comment box are turned off, so do my video like and subscribe my channel. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it. Tithi's Dazzling Studio. Bye bye.